Today, we'll be making the Chinese New Year cake, Nian Guo. All the measurements and ingredients will be down below. In a pot, boil 1 liter of water and add 1 pack of brown slab sugar. Let the sugar dissolve over high heat and bring it to a boil. Once finished, remove from heat and let it cool completely. For our dry ingredients, we'll need 2 packs of glutinous rice flour, and then pour your cooled syrup. And then give it a quick mix. Then add in 1 tablespoon of oil and mix again. Then bring it over to your stand mixer and let it mix on medium speed until smooth. This should take about 5 minutes. Then grease your tins or whatever trays you're using, and then pour in your mixture. Steam over high heat for 1 hour and occasionally check the water levels. After it's done steaming for an hour, garnish with a red date. And then let it cool completely. After it's been cooled down and you're ready to serve, slice the cake into pieces. Cook over medium heat until golden brown. Give it a nice flip and cook the other side. Once it's ready, plate it up and you're ready to serve. And there you have it, your Chinese New Year cake. Enjoy!